Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best survival camping gadgets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the NVO Sport 20-in-1 Survival Paracord Bracelet. This compact and wearable gadget is packed with 20 survival essentials, including an upgraded compass, SOS LED light, fire starter, whistle, thermometer, and 10 feet of durable paracord. The bracelet is adjustable, fitting wrists from 7.5 to 9.5 inches, making it a versatile tool that you can wear or attach to your gear. It's especially handy for hiking, camping, or fishing trips, where space-saving tools are crucial. The build quality of this bracelet is solid, with its paracord rated to withstand up to 550 pounds of weight. The compass is larger and easier to read compared to competitors, while the SOS LED light features 3 modes: flash, constant light, and Morse code rescue signal. This LED light can last over 18 hours, making it a reliable option in an emergency. However, the thermometer, while functional, may not be as accurate as standalone devices. This bracelet is an affordable way to carry multiple survival tools in a compact form factor, but its limitations include the small size of its components, which may not be ideal for heavy-duty use. It's perfect for beginners, casual adventurers, or as a gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Pros: compact, multifunctional, wearable design. Cons: not suitable for extensive survival scenarios or professional-grade use. At number 4, we have the Epiphany Outdoor Gear Pocket Bellows. This minimalist yet highly effective tool is designed to help you start fires more efficiently by directing oxygen exactly where it's needed. It's lightweight, weatherproof, and collapsible, making it easy to store and carry in your camping kit. Whether you're dealing with wet wood or struggling to build a fire in windy conditions, this tool makes fire starting quicker and easier. The Pocket Bellows is constructed from durable stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand harsh outdoor environments. Its telescopic design allows it to collapse down to a small, pocket-friendly size, while extending long enough to keep you at a safe distance from the fire. The precision of the airflow helps ignite fires faster and minimizes the need for excessive effort or fuel. While simple in function, its value lies in its efficiency. The Pocket Bellows is ideal for campers, hikers, and survivalists who need a reliable fire-starting aid without the bulk. However, it's not a standalone tool. You'll still need other fire-starting materials like kindling or a lighter. Pros: lightweight, durable, highly effective. Cons: requires additional fire-starting tools. Coming in at number 3 is the Esky Emergency Sleeping Bag. This thermal bivy sack is crafted from NASA-designed mylar material, which reflects 90% of your body heat to keep you warm in extreme conditions. It's waterproof, windproof, and tearproof, making it a must-have for emergencies like getting stranded in the wilderness or surviving extreme weather. It can also double as an emergency blanket, ground cover, or distress beacon. The sleeping bag's design focuses on durability and portability. It comes with a storage bag and strap for easy carrying or attaching to your gear. Additionally, this kit includes 2 compasses for navigation, which are stable and accurate, ensuring you won't lose your way. The ultra-bright reflective surface of the bivy sack enhances visibility, which is crucial for rescue situations. Priced affordably at just $9.49. The Esky Emergency Sleeping Bag provides excellent value for money. However, it's not intended for long-term use or regular camping. It's strictly an emergency tool. Pros: lightweight, versatile, affordable. Cons: single occupancy, not suitable for extended use. At number 2, we have the LAFIZ 2-pack Waterproof Lighter Set. This bundle includes both a USB rechargeable dual-arc electric lighter and a refillable butane torch lighter, offering versatility for outdoor adventures. The USB lighter charges fully in just 1.5 hours and can be used up to 300 times on a single charge, while the torch lighter produces a powerful jet flame capable of reaching temperatures of 2,800 Fahrenheit. perfect for burning thicker branches or starting campfires. Both lighters feature an IP56 waterproof system with a metal ring-sealed cover and locking clasp, making them reliable in rainy or windy conditions. Their compact design ensures easy portability, and they come with lanyards for convenient carrying. The build quality is robust, with materials like silicone rubber and zinc alloy providing durability. This set is highly functional for campers, hikers, and survivalists, but the lack of pre-filled butane in the torch lighter means you'll need to purchase fuel separately. Pros: versatile set, waterproof and windproof, durable design. Cons: torch lighter requires separate butane purchase. Small size may not suit heavy-duty use. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rikojuxi Survival Kit, an all-in-one emergency kit with an impressive 262 pieces. This kit is designed to prepare you for the critical first 72 hours of a crisis. Whether it's an earthquake, hurricane, or wilderness survival scenario, it includes a comprehensive first aid kit, a multifunctional axe and shovel, a fishing kit, collapsible water container, fire-starting tools, and an emergency tent and blanket, everything you need to stay safe and secure. The build quality of the tools, like the carbon steel axe and shovel, ensures durability and reliability even in harsh conditions. The crossbody bag is thoughtfully designed with multiple compartments, MOLLE-compatible straps, and a detachable strap for versatile carrying options. This kit has been developed in collaboration with first responders and survival experts, making it a trusted choice for serious adventurers. While it's on the pricier side, the sheer number of high-quality tools and supplies justifies the cost. It's perfect for families, preppers, or anyone looking for a comprehensive survival solution. Pros: highly comprehensive, durable tools, well-organized packaging. Cons: slightly heavy, premium price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.